Hey guys, an order just came in. Exciting, right? Whether you're dropshipping or shipping from your bedroom, order fulfillment is where everything becomes real. Let's break down how fulfillment works in Shopify is step by step. So, fulfillment means processing, packaging, and delivering the products your customers just bought. It's how you turn orders placed into orders delivered. And Shopify gives you multiple ways to make it happen. So, first of all, navigate to your Shopify dashboard, click on settings at the bottom left of the screen and navigate to checkout. And you will choose how orders are fulfilled. Manual means you process each order yourself. It's best if you need to check stock or customize packages. Now, another one that you're going to see is automatic. That is great for print in demand or digital goods. Orders go out without you lifting a finger. So, from your orders tab, click into a new order, check inventory, package the product, and once it's shipped, click Mark as fulfilled. Enter the tracking number and carrier, and this info gets sent to your customer automatically. Now, if you want to do it using a fulfillment service or app, you can use apps like Printful, Oberlo, or 3PL like ShipBob. They integrate directly with Shopify and orders get sent to them instantly. And they will handle everything, even tracking updates. Just connect the app, sync your product, and let it roll. Now, if you're selling ebooks or music, you'll have to use digital downloads. So use Shopify's digital downloads app. Once a customer buys, they will get an instant email with a download link. No physical handling required. Now, Shopify automatically sends out confirmation emails and shipping updates, but you can customize these by navigating to Shopify's dashboard, clicking on settings icon, navigating to notifications, and a little personalization can go a long way. So fulfillment is the heart of customer experience. Whether you ship yourself or automate it all, smooth fulfillment means more repeat buyers and less stress for you. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.